Page number 246, Maths, page 246, chapter data handling. We are doing further questions we will do as activity. Okay, question number 7. Look at the question number 7. What it is saying. We have to draw the pictograph. Yes. Here we have to draw the pictograph. Some data is given to you. Days are given, days of the week, and number of students are given in the question. So first we will make the chart that is given to us in the question. First we are going to make the chart. Those who have joined just now, open page number 246, question number 7. Open page number 246, question number 7. So there, what type of data is given? A chart is given where one side days of the week are given, and on the other side, what is given? Number of students are given. So first we will draw the chart. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Till Saturday, weekdays are given. Then what else is given? Number of students. Number of students. How many students? On Monday, how many? 5. Tuesday, 3, 4. Wednesday, 4. Friday, 2. Saturday, 1. Now, we have to make a pictograph. Pictograph, as I told you again, we have to show the graph, the data in any picture form. So let's first decide the key or the scale. Key is, let's take faces. One full face, or let's take half. One child is equal to half face. So first let's write the key. One child one child is equal to half face. Got it? One child, half face. So now we are going to make the third column for pictograph. Third column for pictograph. Now, look at the chart. Can you see it properly? One child is equal to half face. Okay? On Monday, how many children are there? How many students are there? 5. 5. That means how many faces we have to make? Half. One child is equal to half face. Two children, one face. Okay? Again, two children, one more face. And one child, half face. So total how many faces? Two full faces, two full faces and one half. Two full faces and one half face. one half face. All right. Make there in front of it. When there are five students and one child is equal to half face, that means one face will be two children, another one face will be two children, total four, and the fifth one will be half. So total five children will be there. Then come on to the next three. Now how many faces we have to make? One child is equal to half face. That is one full face, one half face. One full face. One full face means now two children. Because one child is equal to half face. So two children will be one full face and the third one half face. So one and a half face. Got it? Go to the next. Four. Four faces. Four children means one child is equal to half face. Two children means one face and two more one face. That is total two faces. Yes, two full faces. Make there in front of it two full faces. Done? Next, three. Yes, very good. One full face, one half face. One full face, one half face. Okay? Then come to the next, that is two. One full face, because one child is equal to half face, two children means one full face. One full face will be there. Okay? Then last one child, half face. One child is equal to half face. One child is equal to half face. Is this clear to everybody? How you have to make this chart? So for five children, two and a half face. For three, one and a half. For four, two full faces. For three, one and a half. For two, one full face, and for one half face. Because in the key we have written one child is equal to half face. This question is clear to everybody. Have you all made in the book with pencil this pictograph? I hope you all have made in the book this pictograph. Okay. Now, come on to the next question. Question number 8. What the next question is? The next question again, subjects are given. Look at the chart of question number 8. Subjects are given and marks scored are given. Subjects are given, marks scored are given. Subject English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Socials. So in English, how much marks are scored? 10. In Hindi, how many marks are scored? 15. In Maths, 5. In Science, 15 marks. And in Social Studies, 10 marks. So these are the marks and the chart given to you in the book. Now here also, in this question, you have to make a pictograph. Now, again here we have to decide a scale or key before that. So let's take like this. Let's take like this. One box is equal to 5 marks. One box is equal to 5 marks. Write key over there. One box is equal to 5 marks. We are going to make boxes here in this question. Here we have made faces. Now we are going to make boxes. So write the key there. One box is equal to 5 marks. Now look at the chart. For first subject, look at the first subject, English. English, how many marks are scored? 10. 10 marks. That means according to our scale, one box is equal to 5 children. 10 marks. So how many boxes we have to make for 10 marks scored? 2 boxes. Make the 2 boxes for English. Another is Hindi. How many marks? 15. So one box is equal to 5 marks. For 15 marks, how many boxes? Very good. 3 boxes. Make 3 boxes there. Then for maths, the lowest marks has been scored in maths. That is 5 marks. And one box is equal to 5 marks. So how many boxes we have to make? We have to make one box here. Make a box. Okay, science. Science, how many marks are there in science? 15. For science, science, how many marks are there? Science, how many marks are there? 5 marks for science. Okay, so one box. 5 marks, one box, because 5 marks is equal to one box. Then maths, how many? Maths, 15 marks. That means one box is equal to 5 marks. That means total 3 boxes we have to make. Yes. And then social studies, how many marks are there? Social studies, 10 marks. 10 marks. And according to the key, one box is equal to 5 marks. So total 2 boxes we have to make for 10 marks. 2 boxes. Yes. Okay. 2 boxes. Make there 2 boxes. Again, let's repeat the first subject, English. For English, how many marks were there? For English, 10 marks were there. One box is equal to 5 marks. That means total 2 boxes we have to make. Then for Hindi, 15 marks were there. 15. One box is equal to 5 marks. Total 15. That is 3 boxes we have to make. Then science, 5 marks. One box is equal to 5 marks. One box we have to make. Maths, 15. 3 boxes. One box is equal to 5 marks. Total 3 boxes. Social studies, 10. 10 marks are there. One box is equal to 5 marks. That is total 2 boxes. Total 2 boxes. All of you have made boxes in the book. Put a tick mark on question number 7 and question number 8 that we have discussed today. These both questions you have to do in your rough copy. Practice in your rough copy. All of you. Okay? I hope by now it is clear to you how to make pictograph, how to decide scale. Scale you have to decide on your own according to the question. Don't take very small scale and don't take very big scale also. Take the most appropriate suitable scale which is required according to the question. Okay. As we were doing this question number 7, there were 3, 5, 7 students like this. So we have taken one child is equal to half. Now in question number 8, the data was big, the number was big, 10, 15. So we have taken bigger scale. Manvi, do not present. Manvi, do not present. Anya, what are you doing? Right? Pay attention in the class. So according to the question, we have to decide the scale, what we are taking. For smaller data, we can take small scale or key, but where the numbers are big, the data is big, we have to take bigger scale accordingly. Clear to everybody? So these two questions you have to practice in your practice copy or a copy. Right?